All right guys, here we go. So you take your Disclosing tablet and remove it from the packaging. Put it in your mouth and chew it and swish it around, and you can safely swallow. Its food grade ingredients and it tastes kind of sweet, so no problem there. Let me show you exactly how. And here's what it looks like. So as you can see, I have a bit of pink kind of along the corners of my teeth, as well as around the attachments or the buttons of my Invisalign. I apologize if my teeth are distracting right now, but basically the pink around my buttons means there's some plaque accumulating around those buttons or attachments. If you also have ortho, whether it be braces or Invisalign, all you have to do when you're brushing your teeth is make sure that you brush your buttons as well, or your brackets as well. How you do that is, instead of brushing just your teeth, pretend like your attachments are teeth as well. I have a video that goes a little bit more in detail on how to brush with ortho. I'll leave a link to that down below. But the other spot where I have some buildup is just along the corners of the teeth. If you can see, kind of especially on my bottom teeth here, the pink is just around the corners. Those are actually flossing surfaces. So if you have plaque around buttons or attachments or brackets, if you're in ortho, you just have to brush around those a little bit better. If you have the plaque around the corners of the teeth, like I showed you on my teeth, that is something you can get with floss. And if you have pink anywhere else on your tooth surfaces, that just means you're missing those spots with your brush. I'll go ahead and leave a link to the Disclosing tablets if you'd like to purchase those. I recommend using them after you've brushed, just so you can see the spots that you need to work on more. Otherwise, if you guys have any other questions about Disclosing tablets, feel free to comment them below, and I'll see you next time. Take care of your teeth.